Dear students, you are welcome in the Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is Subtraction of Decimal Numbers. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to activate the bell to stay notified. The objectives of our lesson are: first one, how to use a place value table to subtract two decimal numbers. Second one, how to subtract two decimal numbers. And the last one, how to subtract a decimal number from natural number. Now, let's see how we represent the place value table for a decimal number. This is a decimal point. To the right of the decimal point we see unit class, thousands class, millions class, and billions class, while to the left of the decimal point we see tenth is equal to 1 over 10, hundredth is equal to 1 over 100, thousandth is equal to 1 over 1000, 10,000th is equal to 1 over 10,000th. So tenth, hundredth, thousandth, 10,000th. This part is called whole part, while this part is called decimal part. Now, use a place value table to subtract two decimal numbers. Example: 284,567 and 9,231 10,000th minus 154,230 and 62 hundredth. This is a decimal place value table. In the thousands class, we put 2 in the hundredths digit, 8 in the tens, 4 in the ones. While in the units class, we put 5 in the hundredth, 6 in the tens, 7 in the ones. So 5 in the hundredths, 6 in the tens, 7 in the ones. Then we put point, but in the decimal part, we put 9 in the tenth, 2 in the hundredth, 3 in the thousandth, and 1 in the 10,000th. Then we put point below point. In the left of the decimal point, we put 0 below 7, 3 below 6, 2 below 5. Then 4 below 4, 5 below 8, 1 below 2. But in the right of the decimal point, we put 6 below 9 in the 10th digit and 2 below 2 in the 100th digit. Then we put zeros in the empty places. So we put 0 below 3 in the 1000th digit and 0 below 1 in the 10,000th digit. Now start with the subtraction operation. So we start from right to the left. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 3 minus 0 give me 3. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Then we put point below point. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 2 minus 1 give me 1. So the final result of 284,567 and 9,231 minus 154,230 and 62 hundredth is equal to 130,337 and 3,031 10,000th. So the final result of this example is equal to 130,337 and 3,031 10,000. thousandth. Now, how to subtract two decimal numbers. Example, 986 and 786 thousandth minus 547 and 32 hundredth. حتى نقدر نطرح هؤلاء العددين العشريين بطريقة صحيحة لازم نتبع الخطوات التالية. First step, write the subtraction in vertical form. Then we put zeros in the empty places. So we put 0 in the thousandth below 6. Now start with the subtraction technique. So 6 minus 0 give me 6, 8 minus 2 give me 6, 7 minus 3 give me 4. We put point. Done. 6 minus 7, 6 is smaller than 7, so we take 1 from 8, 7, 16. 16 minus 7 give me 9, 7 minus 4 give me 3, and 9 minus 5 give me 4. So final result is equal to 439 and 466 thousandth. So 986 and 786 thousandth minus 547 and 32 hundredth is equal to 439 and 466 thousandth. Now, how to subtract a decimal number from a natural number. Example, 586 and 32 hundredth minus 84. لحتى نقدر نطرح العدد العشري من العدد الصحيح لازم نتبع الخطوات التالية. First step, write the subtraction in vertical form. Second step, put the ones below ones, tens below tens, and so on. So we put 4 below 6 and 8 below 8. Third step, we add decimal point to the right of a natural number. So we put decimal point to the right of the natural number. Fourth step, put zeros in the empty places. So put zeros in the empty places. So we put 0 below 5 in the 100 digit, then 0 below 3 in the 10th digit, then 0 below 2 in the 100th digit. So 0 below 5 in the 100 digit, 0 below 3 in the 10th digit, and 0 below 2 in the 100th digit. Now start with the subtraction technique. So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2, 3 minus 0 give me 3. Then we put point. بس نوصل عند الديسيمال بوينت بننزلها مثل ما هي. 6 minus 4 give me 2, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, 5 minus 0 give me 5. So the final result of 586 and 32 hundredth minus 84 is 502 and 32 hundredth. So 586 and 32 hundredth minus 84 is equal to 502 and 32 hundredth. Second example, 4,332 and 54 hundredth minus 176. First step, write the subtraction in vertical form like this. Put the ones below ones, tens below tens, 100 below 100, and so on. So we put 6 below 2, 7 below 3, 1 below 3. Then we add decimal point to the right of a natural number. So we write here. Okay. Now put zeros in the empty places. So we put 0 in the 100 digit below 4, then 0 below 5 in the 10th digit, and 0 below 4 in the 100th digit. Now start with the subtraction technique. So 4 minus 0 give me 4, 5 minus 0 give me 5. We put point, then 2 minus 6, so 2 is smaller than 6, so we take 1 from 3 and we end it. So we take 1 from 3 to 12, so 12 minus 6 give me 6. Now 2 minus 7, also 2 is smaller than 7, so we take 1 from 3 and the 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 7 give me 5. Now 2 minus 1 give me 1. 4 minus 0 give me 4. So the final result is equal to 4,156 and 54 hundredths. So 4,332 and 54 hundredths minus 176 is equal to 4,156 and 54 hundredths. Thanks for watching. If you like this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more and don't forget to click the bell to get all the updates.